In the back of your packet is this piece of paper that says Telling Time Recording Form. I want you to rip it out of your packet and please put your name, number, and date on it. And then I'm going to give you instructions on what to do next. So pause the video and do that now, please. The next thing I'd like for you to do is to go to the Pathway Supplies shelf, and I want you to find these little Telling Time task cards in the activity binder. They have little clocks on them with arrows. Okay, so go ahead and pull one of those out. And what you're going to do is you're going to go through the cards and you're going to look at the clock and decide what time it is. Now remember, these clocks are to the nearest minute, so be very careful on where you look at that, where that minute hand lands. And then I want you to record your answer on the sheet. So for example, the card in front of me, I have 13, 14, 15, and 16. So the answer to whatever time this clock in front of me on 13 says will go in the 13 space on the answer sheet. It's kind of self-explanatory. But I want you to go through all of the Telling Time task cards. When you're done, put them back in the baggie, nice and neat, and then hand this paper in the Pathway section and go on to the next step. Good luck!